Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found the perfect project or gift for anyone who loves challenging detail work, also puzzles. This is a do-it-yourself bookend from Tomyoung, and it's made to look like a little tiny street that even has working lights. It is fantastically detailed, and you get to build it from literally the ground up. Now it's very, very detailed and has many small pieces. So I would highly recommend taking all of the pieces out, familiarizing yourself with them, and also looking through the directions before you start. It would definitely be helpful for you to get some tweezers, toothpicks. I used a needle for all of the beadwork. An X-Acto knife, a magnifying glass would also help because it really does have a lot of small pieces. And this was my first time doing this, so it was challenging for me. But then I found that I was getting better and better at it as I went along. I would also recommend getting a fast drying glue because that makes the project much easier to do. You will also have to get batteries for the lights, and it takes the LR44 1.5 volt batteries, and then you'll be able to get the lights working. Now, even though I found this challenging and I did make some mistakes along the way, it still came out great. I'm so pleased, actually thrilled with how it came out. There is so much detail in here. You actually can't even see it all once you put it together. I really take pride in the fact that I was able to accomplish this, that I got the lights to work. The whole thing is just so sweet and it holds up my books. So this has been a really fun project for me, a very challenging one, but I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.